Hello freedom seekers and multi-passionate individuals. In today's video, I will share with you 3 tips in traveling that you can apply in your life and money management. Watch the video until the end so that you will not miss any of these tips that you can apply in your daily life. Number 1, travel light. To make traveling easier, just pack all the necessary things that you need in your travel. In life, remove all those unwanted baggages to make your life easier. In money management, only prioritize spending to those things that will make your life easier, contribute to achieving your financial goals. Tip number 2, travel together. It's always fun and happy to travel with family and friends. In life, even if you are single, always think that you have the family and friends whom you trust that you can share any of your problems. In money management, if you are single, always consider your future goals in managing your money so that you will do it wisely. For couples, you need to manage your money together as one person with one goal. Third tip, travel with joy. Your travel will be worthwhile if you travel with joy. Just like in life, enjoy the process of you achieving your life goals. Surround yourself with like-minded person and avoid or let go of those toxic people. In money management, learn to spend only on the things that will really contribute to your happiness and avoid to buy things just to impress others. Don't forget to share your one key takeaway that you will apply in your daily life. I would love to hear from you. To make the most out of my free content, attend my Freedom Masterclass. You will see the link in the comment. In my Freedom Masterclass, I will share with you the wins of my coaches using my 5 framework, which is now I revise it as the journey to money freedom. And there's more. You could also download your Freedom Roadmap. In the said Freedom Masterclass, I will also share my own journey, how my money works for me, to have more time doing and exploring all the things that I enjoy and love doing without having financial stress. Even if I deliberately quit my full-time work and have a variable income. My savings, how it helped me. So you will learn about my income and asset that helped me to have more time doing and exploring what I really love to do without having financial stress. If you find this video helpful, you will also find the other 2 videos very helpful.